In this video, we're having a look at the Service Manager boards and some of its new features. We start by going over to the Service Manager application, and from here we can get visibility of the different boards that I have access through, either as a member or the boards that I am the owner. The owner is clearly represented on each of these by the display of their profile picture. Here we see Graham's board. And in this case, I'm logged in as Daniel Matthews, so this is one of the boards where I'm the owner. Now each of these boards consists of a number of different lists. These lists can be added or removed or changed accordingly. Under each of these lists contain a number of cards, and these cards represent the different requests that have been added to this board. Now, as a full user of this board, I can drag and drop these between the lists, or I'm able to remove them completely from the board. Now, these can also be set up and configured to be added, moved, and removed automatically through the use of the BPM engine. So you can tie a board into a particular process that you wish to follow. Now, one of the new features that we have here is all around the memberships. So here we see a team of people that have currently access to this board. By editing the board, we can go down to the access section, and here we can see that we can select from either a team or a user. I'm just going to select a user here, so I'm going to add Sonia as one of the members of my board. Now we have an option here around whether or not they can modify the contents within the board. So by clicking here, we can enable the modification access, or leaving it at its default. This provides a view-only access of my board. And we'll just click on Update. Now we're just going to switch over. We're now logged in as Sonia, and this is going to be her view of the different boards that she has access to. So we see two of my boards here. We see the change management board that I just added her to, and a procurement board. So I'm just going to click on the change management board. And from here we can see now that that option for removing a card is no longer there, and she's also not able to drag and drop these cards from one list to another. What she can do though is now click on one of these requests to open it up to see the details. Up here we see the action item for the boards feature, and we see that change management board that it's currently listed on. Now Sonia has the full rights to the procurement board, so from here she is also able to add this same change as a card onto this board. So here we see it's now been added to the received list.